Oh no, que la escola. Okay, so yeah.
Boo-boo, you're late again. When will you ever learn?
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Now go to your seat. Alright, everyone, submit your homework.
No.
Oh no, I totally forgot to do my homework. Boo-boo, where's your homework?
No.
I forgot to do my homework.
Yeah.
Go stand back in my class. Mom. Can you explain it for me? I have told you so many times to study, but you're never taking it seriously.
Mystery.
Now go and complete your homework.
Never broke.
Why did I study make me so sleepy?
Okay.
Alright, let's just play games for fun.
Game. Yeah,
Хорошо. А чего тебе именно?
His teacher got angry. His friend was bully and lied. And his mom scolded the kid like a loser.
А что ты собираешься
But when
покупать?
he played games, he became a new and happy person. And slowly, his kids started more into the game. Don't forget to do your homework.
Okay,
Okay, Mom. Yay, I won. Boo-boo, did you finish your homework?
Huh?
I told you to do your homework, and now you're playing games. Mom, I did all my homework. Just a little bit and it's left. That's enough. Today I'm gonna play this game once and for all. Mom, no!
Oh no!
Mom, what have you done? What is really love that makes me feel good and you ruined it? Gaming competition? Hey, I want to participate in it. You can go that way.
Huh?
So you have to go to pee with me, you tiny little bug. Game start.
Game start.
Tom was verified technically. Boo-boo was the finishing blow. You win!
We win!
Final round. Tom is dominant.
Yes.
Boo-boo, Bug is taking. Tom is added to the finish now. Victory!
Mystery!
You had to be waiting, Tom. Now you win, Boo-boo!
Так, тренируешь.
Is that Boo-boo? I'm so sorry, Boo-boo. I never understanding you. Ding dong. so sorry, Boo Boo. I never tried to understand you. It's okay, Mom.
Not every is discussed comments from the